In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check a Roblox server's age. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is to find the game or the server where you want to check how long it has been up for, aka the server age, and make sure you are in it before checking. For this method, it's going to keep track of the moment you join the server. So, after joining the server, what you have to do is open up the developer console by pressing F9 on your keyboard or typing /console in chat. As you can see, from the moment I joined, I can type /console and it's going to give me the time at the left side over here. I can look at this time and add hours to see how long the server has been up for. So for example, if I was on the server for 3 hours already, if I press the /console command and I looked at the time I joined, I could see how long ago this server has been up for and the server age. Of course, this doesn't tell you the exact server age, but it's a quick and easy way to see how long a server you have joined has been up for. I hope I was able to help you on how to check your Roblox server's age. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.